For over a century, hairdryers have relied on intensive heat. It's time to switch on the light. Innovation, AirLight Pro, the first professional hairdryer by L'Oreal Professionnel, powered by infrared light technology. A targeted energy source that's more powerful and respectful. For faster hair drying, less energy consumption, and no damage. Co-developed and approved by hair pros for all hair types, AirLight Pro is proven to last through intensive professional use. Switch on the light. AirLight Pro.